Welcome to VCS IT Solutions Private Limited. My name is Krishna. I have 10 plus years of IT experience and training also. Today we are discussing about by using Python, what are the applications we are developing. That means what we can do with Python. What we can do with Python. What we can do with Python programming language. With Python. What we can do with the Python. First one is web application, web application development, web application development. By using Python, we can developing web applications. Okay, what is meant by web application? It is a one server-side program that utilizes web browsers and web technologies, web server, okay, to perform the task over the internet. A web application is a one server-side program that utilizes web browsers and web technologies to perform the task over the internet. Okay, if you want to developing web applications with Python, we need to require some frameworks like as a Django framework, Flask framework, Bottle, Web2Py, Fast API, and etc. Different libraries are required. Okay, by using these libraries to build the dynamic websites and web applications, create RESTful APIs, and handling the backend logics and implementing the microservices also. Okay, by using these framework to build the web applications, creating a RESTful APIs, and handling the backend logic. Next, second one, data science. Data science. Here we are using like as a machine learning data science. Machine learning, machine learning. Most popular machine learning. Okay, analyzing the large data sets to build the models. Analyzing the large data sets and to build the models. How to build that models? By using some libraries. What are the libraries are available like as a pandas, numpy, scipy, matplotlib. Matplotlib is for visualization. Next, Seaborn for visualization. scikit-learn, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, TensorFlow, PyTorch, PyTorch. Different libraries we are using. Different libraries we are using. By using these libraries to build the machine learning models. Coming to deep learning like as a Keras we are using. Keras we are using. Okay. Next one, another one, NLTK, natural language processing. Simply we are calling as a NLP. Here we are using different libraries like as a NLTK, Spacey. Next one, Genism, Hugging Face, Transformers, different libraries we are using. Okay, NLTK, okay, SPACY, either Hugging Face, process and analyze the text data to build the chatbots, to build the chatbots. Okay, these are the different libraries we are using. Next one, observing very clearly automation and scripting. Automation and scripting. Automation and scripting. Here, okay, if you want to automate the task, like is observing very clearly, automate the repetitive tasks and simply by using some libraries, scrapping the data from the websites and managing the files and automate the system administration tasks simply by using some libraries like as a Selenium, Beautiful Soap, Beautiful Soap, Beautiful Soap, Request Library, and etc. Next, another application, data visualization to visualize the data like as a bar graph, charts, bar graphs, pie charts, different graphs we are using. Create the visual representation of data, generating the charts and the dashboards. How to creating a dashboards, either charts by using Python. These libraries we are using, like as a matplotlib library, Seaborn, Seaborn, and Plotly, Dash, and etc. Different libraries we are using. Next one, artificial intelligence. Artificial, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Okay, if anybody want to go to artificial intelligence domain, in that case also we are using Python. Now observing very clearly, develop the AI models for natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, and other AI related fields. Here libraries are like as a TensorFlow, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, OpenCV. Next one, NLTK, NLTK, Spacey, and etc. Next one, game development. Game development. By using Python, we can developing games also possible. Okay, how to developing the games by using Pygame, Panda 3D, Panda 3D. Okay, this type of libraries we are using to develop the game applications or gaming. Next, GUI applications. GUI, graphical user interface, user interface, user interface, like as a TK enter, PyQt, PyQt, okay, and etc. Mobile application development, mobile application development, mobile apps development by using one framework. That framework name is called Kiwi framework. Okay, networking applications, networking applications, networking applications. Simply, we are using some libraries like as a socket, async, twisted, different libraries we are using. Here, build the client server applications, manage the network connections, implement the chatting applications. Next one, cloud computing, cloud computing, cloud computing. Okay, observing very clearly, cloud computing means in the market different cloud vendors are available. In the market different cloud vendors are available like as Amazon providing one cloud service. That service name is called AWS. Microsoft providing one cloud service. That service name is called Windows Azure. Google providing one cloud service GCP. Okay. Python is a commonly used for interacting with the cloud platforms. Cloud platforms. Okay. If you want to writing some automation scripts in AWS, simply Python provides one library. That library name is called Boto 3. Boto 3. Next, another one is DevOps. DevOps. Okay, DevOps means observing very clearly. It is a combination of both development and operations team. Here we can providing some infrastructures, creating the infrastructures. How to creating the infrastructures by using some tools like as a Terraform, Terraform, Ansible, Ansible, Salt Stack, Salt Stack, and etc. To automate to automate these tasks, these automate to automate these tasks. Simply how to automate simply by using some Python scripting. Simply by using some Python scripting. Next, another application, embedded embedded systems, embedded systems and IoT, Internet of Things. What is the meaning of embedded? It is a combination of both hardware and software. Best example, washing machine, refrigerator, air conditions. Okay, now observing very clearly, Python is a one programming language on the Raspberry Pi and microcontrollers for IoT, Internet of Things. Here we are using Raspberry Pi, okay, Raspberry Pi, MicroPython, Raspberry Pi, MicroPython. Next one, GPIO, Pi serial, okay, Raspberry Pi, Pi, Raspberry Pi. Next one, MicroPython, 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 and Pi serial. Different libraries we are using. Networking, networking automation, networking automation, network automation. If anybody want to go to network automation, here simply by using Netmico, Netmico, Paramico, Paramico. These are the different libraries in Python to implementing the network related automation tasks. Python is commonly used to automate network tasks and configurations by using these libraries like as a Netmico and a Paramico and a socket programming, Next one, data analysis, data analysis, data analysis. If anybody want to go to data analysis, like as a data analyst, and data data analytics, like as a visualization. Next one, ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading. Loading. Next, another one is big data. Big data. Here we are using Spark. If we want to implementing Spark related algorithms by using Python, we need to require PySpark. We need to require PySpark. Next one, blockchain, blockchain and cryptocurrency or cryptography. Cryptography. Now observing very clearly, okay, blockchain development. Python is the increasingly used in blockchain related projects with libraries Web3 Py, Web3.py. Next one, for Ethereum, Web3.py for Ethereum. This is a one digital currency, Ethereum, one framework in the blockchain technology, Ethereum. Next one, cryptography. Python support libraries like as a PyCrypto and cryptography to build the secure applications. To build the secure applications. PyCrypto, PyCrypto, cryptography, cryptography. Okay, these are the two libraries related to cryptography to build the secure applications. Next, another application, ERP applications. ERP applications, enterprise resource planning, automation testing, automation testing, automation testing, automation testing, like as a Selenium, scraping the data from the websites in medical coding. Next one, admin activities, admin activities, like as a DBA, system administration, OS administration, network administration. Okay, these are the admin related jobs. Automation testing. Okay, here we are using Selenium for unit testing, PyTest, unit test, PyUnit, different libraries we are using. Okay, next in the database management system, database management system, database management system. Here to manage the database by using Python, we can interact with the databases like as a MySQL. Next one, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Okay, for example, if you want to connect the MySQL dot connector, MySQL hyphen connector for Python. If you want to connect the MongoDB, we need to require PyMongo, and etc. Next, ORM. The ORM tools are like as a Django ORM, SQL Alchemy, SQL Alchemy, PyMongo, and different. Django ORM, Django ORM. Different ORM tools also available in the market. Okay, and so many applications developing by using Python. Okay, in any domain we are using Python. Okay, by using Python we can developing this type of applications. Okay, what we can do with Python like as a software development, automation, system scripting, artificial intelligence, either web application, web development, prototyping, in mathematics, machine learning, workflows, data visualization, and data analysis. Data analysis. Okay, this is about what are the applications of Python or what we can do with Python programming language. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.